exercise, before doing this exercise, there are some formulas. So there are four main formulas it will use in this your exercise, in which first is sum of all interior angles is equal to n into n minus 3 into 180. Okay everyone, so n is the number of sides of a regular polygon or any polygon. So remember this thing, these formula will apply in the regular polygons. Okay everyone, and second formula is each exterior angle. Exterior angle means बाहर वाला angle. For example, जैसे ये triangle है, so this is exterior angle. Okay, so this is the formula to find the each exterior angle 360 divided by n. N is the number of sides. So next one is each interior angle. Interior angle means 180 minus exterior angle. So 180 minus each exterior angle. Exterior angle is 360 upon n. So ये एक नया formula है. Okay, this formula you have already discussed. Number of diagonals having n sides is equal to n into n minus 3 upon 2. So now we will move to exercise. So students, today we will discuss exercise 3b. So these are that questions that we will discuss today, and there are total 10 sums are there. Okay, I will discuss each question with you side by side. So students, so this is your first question, in which we have to find the sum of all interior angles of pentagon. So pentagon is that side which having n is equal to 5. So pentagon means who have 5-sided figure. So it means you have given n is equal to 5 and you have to find the sum of all interior angles. And you know the formula. Formula is n minus 2 into 180. So sum of all interior angles of pentagon is n into n. First of all, write down the formula n minus 2 into 180. So n means 5. So 5 minus 2 into 180. 5 minus 2 is 2. Sorry, 5 minus यहाँ पे 2 आएगा. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180. So answer is 5. Okay everyone. So this is sum of all interior angles. And your next part is hexagon. Hexagon means whose n is equal to 6. Understood my point? You have to apply the same formula but put the n is equal to 6 here. And next is Noonagon. I will take the book. Noonagon. Okay. Noonagon means having n is equal to 9. Apply the same formula by putting n is equal to 9 here. And after 11 sides are there, it is given already. In fourth part, n is equal to 11. And in fifth part, it is given n is equal to 16. Understood? This is all about your first question. Now, we will discuss the second one, in which you have to apply the same formula, but we have given sum is given, in which you have given sum. Second question, first part, sum of all interior angle is given, that is 1980. And you have to tell कि ये n क्या होगा. N means कि कौन सी polygon है. You have to tell the type of polygon. If the sum is given means in the formula you put here 1980 and n minus 2 into 180. So here it is multiplied. जब इधर आएगा ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So divide कर दो 180 n minus 2. So cutting is possible. 18 1 by 18, then 18 1 by 18. So 11 is equal to n minus 2. 2 will come here and it will plus. So n is equal to 30. It means it is having a polygon whose sides are 30. Okay everyone. So next part you can do it yourself. Next, third one is little bit different, in which you have to find the measure of each exterior angle. So you have to find the each exterior angle. Third question. Each exterior angle means you have already done the formulas in which we know each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by n. Okay everyone, and in this question you have given, we have to find the each exterior angle of hexagon. Hexagon means n is equal to 6. So apply the same formula. So each exterior angle is equal to, first of all write down the formula, then apply put the value of n, that is 6. So answer is 60 degree. So it means for having the hexagon, if n is equal to 6, the each exterior angle would be 60 degree for regular polygon. Okay everyone, so in other parts you can do it yourself, in which you have given octagon. Octagon means having n is equal to 8, and you have to apply the same formula. Nonagon also having n is equal to 9, apply the same formula and find the each exterior angle. And last one is decagon. So decagon means having n is equal to 10. Okay everyone. So students, in fourth question we have to find what is the measure of each interior angle. So it means we have to find each interior angle. Each interior angle having of a pentagon. Sorry. Pentagon means n is equal to 5. So each interior angle. So first of all we will find the exterior angle, in which we know the formula. Each exterior angle is equal to (360) upon n. N is equal to 5. Here n is equal to 5. So it means by putting 5 you have a 72. So it means this for pentagon each exterior angle is 72. So to find the each interior angle we will subtract it from, because suppose this is exterior angle. So to find the interior angle we will subtract it from 180, because they are linear here. Okay. Suppose this is exterior angle. So to find the interior angle we will subtract it from 180. So each interior angle would be, there is a direct formula also I have discussed with you. You can apply that one also, but this one is very easy. First of all find the exterior angle and then find the interior angle by subtracting it from 180. So your answer is 108. Similarly, you can find the other parts in which you have given hexagon. Hexagon means n is equal to 6. Okay everyone. And next one is octagon. Octagon means n is equal to 8, and next one is decagon. Decagon n is equal to 10. So this is all about your fourth question. Now let's move the fifth question. In fifth question you have to find the number of sides of polygon. So number of sides of polygon, and we have given to each exterior angle. Each exterior angle is given, in which is given to us. First part is 72. Okay everyone. Now you know the formula each exterior angle. Each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by n. Simple. So you have given each exterior angle is 72. So put it 360 divided by n. So cross multiply it, n will be here and it will be 360 divided by 72. So by cutting you get 5. So it means it is a pentagon. So write down answer is type of polygon he is talking about. So answer is pentagon. Similarly, you can find the other parts by putting the same formula. Okay everyone. So this is your fourth question. So in fifth question, this is your fifth question. Sorry. So in next part, you have to discuss each exterior and interior angle. So interior angle same. First of all, you will find the each exterior angle by same formula. Then we will subtract it from 180. Okay, everyone. In which you have given. We have to find the number of sides. Okay, having each one of the interior angle is given. You have given in each interior angle. Each interior angle having 150. So 150 angle is given. First of all, there is also a direct formula, but you will find by this method. First of all, you will find each exterior angle by applying the formula that is equal to 360 divided by n. We have to find the value of n. Sorry, each exterior angle is 180 minus interior angle. Interior angle. So interior angle is given 150. So that is 30 degree. So it means each exterior angle is 30 degree. Now apply the formula. Each exterior angle. Apply the formula to find the each exterior angle to find the value of n. So you have now each exterior angle that is 30 degree is equal to 360 divided by n. Cross multiply it and you have 360 divided by 30. By cutting you get n is equal to 12. It means it is having a regular polygon having n is equal to 12. So rest of the parts you can find it yourself by applying the same method. Okay, everyone. So students, 7th question is it possible having a regular polygon each of whose exterior angle is 80 degree? Is it possible? So let us find by applying the formula of each exterior angle. That is equal to 360 upon n. Okay, so this is given 80 degree. So put it. Now find the value of n by cross multiply each other. N will be equal to 360 divided by 80. Now do the cutting. Okay, 2. Sorry. So answer is 9.2 or 4.5. So can you tell me अगर regular polygon है और वो 4.5 हो? So it is not possible. पॉइंटों में हो ही नहीं सकती रेगुलर पॉलीगन, या तो 4 हो पूरा आंसर या 5 हो. Understand my point? You can say that sides are not possible in decimals. So it means it is not possible. It is not possible having each interior and exterior angle is equal to 80 degree. That is not possible. So in the same way, you have a 8th question in which you have given interior angle. First of all, interior angle is given 130. First of all, you will find the exterior angle by subtracting it from 180 and apply the same method. By applying the same formula, if the n will be in decimal, then it is not possible. If n will be in proper whole number, then it is possible. Okay, everyone. So in the 9th question, you can solve it yourself. If you have a problem, you can discuss me in WhatsApp group. So let us discuss the last one, 10th part, 10th question, sorry, in which you have to find the value of x. So in this formula or in this type of question, remember the one thing that if the each exterior angle would be equal to, so angle 1, 2, 3, 4, these all are exterior angles. So the sum of all exterior angles will always equal to, for all polygons, okay, will always equal to 360, always. Sum of all exterior angles, sum of all exterior angles will always equal to 360. Now in your first part, let us discuss the first part. first part is diagram is like this, and you have to find the value of x. Here it is x, here it is 120, here it is this sign means 90 degree. Now you know that sum of all exterior angle is always equal to 360. So apply this formula and write down like this, that sum of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree, and find the value of x by subtracting these from 360. So you can solve it yourself. It is very simple. So in the same way, there are other type of questions. Let us discuss the fifth part also. In fifth part, you have a diagram like this, in which you have interior angle is given, two interior angle are given, and then also in the form of x. Okay everyone, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, okay, this is 80 degree, and this is x. Okay everyone, so let us discuss this question. Okay, so this means 90 degree. So first of all, in this exterior angles are not given. So what you will do, you know one of the property that okay, so you will first of all find the exterior angle. This is 180 minus 90, 90. This is 180 minus 90, 90. This is 180 minus this one 180 minus 80, 100. This is all it is already exterior angle, and this would be 180 minus 3x. And you know that sum of all exterior angle is equal to 360. So 90 plus 90 plus 100 plus x plus 180 minus 3x would be equal to 360. Okay everyone, so now find the value of x by adding all the values. So 180, 280 plus 180 minus 2x would be equal to 360. So this would be, so minus 2x is equal to 360 minus 460, that is equal to minus 2x is equal to minus 100. So x would be 100 divided by 2, that is equal to 50 degrees. So in the same way you can find the all other sums. Thank you.